Today I am going to show you how can you block any kind of advertising on YouTube and website on Google Chrome just for free. You can see here a YouTube video show advertisement. How can you block it? Let's start the video. You need to go Google Chrome and make sure you have any Gmail account login first, and click on 3 dots the right side for extension add, more tools and click extension. Click extension and below you can see the open Chrome web store. Click here. Now you search here, add block plush. Here you can see the extension ABP. Just add to Chrome. Click add extension. You can see ABP extension added my Google Chrome browser. Let's check that, it's work or not. Open a YouTube video for check. Here you can see there is no advertisement show on the video. If you off the ad block then you only see the advertisement on YouTube. Otherwise you never see advertisement on YouTube or any website. You also see how many advertisement blocked by the extension ABP. Not only YouTube but also website advertisement blocked by this blocker. Totally you are full free from all kinds of advertisement on you Google Chrome for free. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.